back to Lymphallation. This is Jovita here, and today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can achieve this eyeliner look. So it's basically a turquoise to electric blue transitioning eyeliner, and colored eyeliners are very in nowadays, so I thought I should do this tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to learn how to get this look, then please keep watching. So for this look, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Electric palette, and I'm going to be using two shades from this. The first one is this shade called Gonzo, and the second one is Chaos. So the shade called Gonzo is what I've used in my inner corner, and I've used it like till the half of my eyelid, and Chaos is the electric blue color which I've used to make my wing at the end. So these are the two shades that I've used. These are really pigmented matte eyeshadows, and to make any eyeshadow into a liquid liner, you usually have to use a fixing spray, that is the mist that you use on your face after you complete your makeup. So usually you can use like the MAC Fix Plus, but I didn't have that, and I recently purchased the Colorbar Stay the Day Finishing Mist, which also works the same way. So you have to like pick up the pigment on your brush and then dip it into some of the fixing spray liquid and then start applying it as a liquid liner. I don't like spraying the liquid onto the brush because then it just gets really messy. What I do is I take the cap of the mist itself and I spray like 2 pumps in it. It's basically like you're painting something, so you take a little bit of paint and dip it into water and then start applying it.
So here I'm just starting off by buffing these two shades from the Maybelline's Nude palette to add some dimension, and then I'm taking this shade to just highlight my brow bone. Now we're going to start applying our eyeliner, and I'm starting in with the first shade, which is Gonzo, and I'm going to be starting off from my inner corner and stretching this line till about half of my eyelid. So once you're done doing this, I'm going to move on to the electric blue color, which is Chaos, and here I'm just going to be flicking out a line which is going to be my wing, and I'm doing this with a very soft hand, like you can see, and then my camera decided to blur me out completely, but I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I've just drawn a line and I'm connecting it to the first shade that we have applied. And then all I'm doing is thickening out the end of my wing and making sure it's as similar as the other side. So in the beginning, when you actually draw your wing or you draw your eyeliner, it's not going to be very pigmented because you're obviously dipping it into the fixing spray, but you need to keep packing on more and more shades so that it achieves its pigmentation, and later on, once it dries, it will give you the true color. So here I'm just making sure that both my eyeliners are symmetrical, and after this, to give a little more of pop to the inner corner, I'm using the Lakme Glide On color, which is the same turquoise color, and it's very shimmery, and as you can see, it gives a very nice pop in the inner corner. And I'm also going to be using this in my tear duct area, and then to blend everything out evenly, I'm using the same shade, that is Gonzo, which was the first turquoise color, and blending everything out in between, so that it gives a nice transition effect. And then I'm going to be applying a generous coat of mascara and covering up any of the color that's come onto my eyelashes. And then to complete the whole look, I've mixed like 3 lipsticks, and I love mixing lipsticks to get like a different shade. So I've mixed like 2 Miss Claire lipsticks and 1 Lakme 9 to 5, which is Coffee Command, and this completes the whole tutorial.
So this is it. This is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and also learned something new. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And please leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, then I'll be leaving the links in the description box below, and I'll also link it right here, as well as all the products used in this video will be linked in the description box as well. So that was it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.